just wanna make things right. Walk, keep us on the road. Try to find what we had before. Can the spark ignite or is it gone? Won't you stop? Don't you shut us down. Speak before we hit the ground. Tell me now what's on your mind. I hear voices telling me you need to let him go. There's nothing there worth fighting for.
All right, ladies, so it's the next day. Your girl have 4 hours of sleep. She slept like this, okay? That was the only way I was gonna get my eyes to close. I was avoiding sleep because I knew it was gonna be uncomfortable. But if these curls paid off, it's gonna look great. So I did my makeup with caution, okay? So if you are gonna try this and try to do your makeup in advance, do it with caution, because trying to get the edges around, like, we don't know what that's gonna look like, you know, once the straws are out. So without further ado, let's take the straws out.
It's the easiest way, they say, but I don't wanna give us up. Cause to me, it will be the hardest thing to lose out on every single dream, and I don't plan on giving us up. I hear voices telling me you need to let him go. There's nothing there worth fighting for. I just need to know if one thing is true. Do you still love me like you used to do? What if they alright? Baby, can we still shine? Tell me that we'll be fine. Always still in love. Hey, what if they alright? Baby, can we still shine? Tell me that we'll be fine. Always still in love. Yeah. What if they alright? Still shine. Tell me that we'll be fine. Always still in love. What if they alright? Baby, can we still shine? Tell me that we'll be fine. Always still in love.
All right, so you see these curls. These curls are great, okay? But this style is not, I'm gonna repeat myself, it is not for the faint of heart. If you are a girl who likes sleep, if you are Princess and the Pea kind of girl, no, this is not for you. This is for the girl who will do anything for a hairstyle kind of look, okay? This is no sleep hairstyle. But will you have great results? Yes. I can't ask for better. Let's start scoring. Ease of use. Is this easy to do? Is this beginner friendly? No. You gotta kind of know what you're doing with the moisturizing and sealing, with the curl, with the wrapping, with pinning. You have to kind of know how to do a regular straw set. So what I would say is, if you wanted to do this, I have another video where I do a like spoolie curl, like a, not spoolie curl, but like a spiral curl. And they're shorter, they're much more comfortable, they're smaller. But you need to start there and then work your way up to the bigger straw. Ease of use, I'd give this like a 2. If you are an expert and you've done a straw set before, then I give this a 5. You can do this no problem. Smoothie straws, do they give a great curl? Yes, yes, yes. They were inexpensive. I got these for $8.25 Canadian. They're cumbersome because they're thicker, so they bend a little different. So I would say, you know, would I repeat this style? Is this style something that I do again? Yes. You have to make sure you don't have work the next day because you are not sleeping that day. For me, it was sleep. That was the hardest part for me, not the curling itself. I would rate ease, like comfortable to sleep on, a 0, a -10, negative 35. Like, I was in pain. Would I do it again? Yes, as I said. Because, like, this is a summer bounce. This is not a regular bounce. Like, this is a summer bounce. So, for this, I would do it. Maybe under a hooded hair dryer would be good. I just don't like sitting under hooded hair dryers. That's why I like to keep my styles overnight. That's it. Once again, like, subscribe, follow on social media. I'm here with 2 videos. Yes, 2 videos every week. And I hope you're enjoying it. Because she's doing her best. And that's it. I'm out.
Tell